these are the two dog whistles that I tried out. This is the one that you are thinking about purchasing. It makes an audible sound, very clearly audible sound, no matter how you adjust it. But the dog actually responds to it better. This is a professional silent whistle. It can go from a mildly audible sound to it sounds like you're just spitting on it sound, and the dog doesn't even lift an ear when you play it. Okay, this is with the whistle that is a silent dog whistle. Let's see how Piper relaxes. First, the blowing.
She cocked her head.
I don't know how a dog's supposed to hear that. Okay, try.
Let's wait until she's...
Okay. Yeah, you can really train a dog with that. Okay, try this one.
Really excitable, aren't you? This is one that is easy to hear by a human ear.
Yeah, not silent. Well, darn if she even cares about anything right now.
Real jumpy, aren't you?
Okay.